Ever run into a Python comparison that left you scratching your head? Check out this code. When we run it, the equality check returns true, but the is check fails. Let's examine this further. If we create two lists with the first 1,000 integers and loop through, comparing each pair with the is operator, look at where it breaks. Right at 257, two integers with the exact same value suddenly fail the is check. Why? Well, unlike the equality operator, which checks if values are equal, the is operator checks object identity. It asks, are these two variables pointing to the exact same object in memory? When we set x equal to 257, Python creates a new integer object. When we set y equal to 257, it creates another new object. Two different objects with different memory addresses. So, is returns false. But wait, why did the is condition pass for all numbers from 0 to 256? That's because Python pre-allocates integers from -5 to 256 and reuses them throughout the program. So when we set x equal to 256, Python doesn't create a new object. Instead, it hands you the cached one. When we next set y equal to 256, it hands you that same exact cached object. You can verify the same by printing their memory addresses. For more such bite-sized coding insights, smash the like button and hit subscribe.